Is your 2009 Mazda CX-9 key fob not working? Let's fix it. First, the most common culprit, the battery. These fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. Open the fob carefully with a flat tool, replace the battery, ensuring correct polarity, lat, and reassemble. This fixes 70 to 80% of issues. If that doesn't work, it's time to reprogram. Get in your car and close all doors. Insert the key into the ignition. Cycle the ignition from off to on 5 times rapidly within 10 seconds, leaving it in the on position on the 5th cycle. The car should enter a learn mode. Now, press any button on your key fob. The car should respond by locking or unlocking the doors, confirming it has recognized the fob. Try repeating the process once or twice if you are having issues. If battery replacement and reprogramming don't solve your 2009 Mazda CX-9 key fob problem, signal interference or physical damage might be the cause. Key fobs typically have a range of 10 to 15 meters, but weak signals can be caused by physical obstructions or interference from Wi-Fi 6E networks and 5G towers. To address signal issues, start with simple fixes. Move closer to your vehicle, check for any objects blocking the signal path, and clean the contacts on the fob itself. These steps can often restore functionality without additional cost. In cases of significant interference, consider a signal amplifier kit. These affordable devices, costing around $25, can boost the fob's signal strength and extend its effective range, helping to overcome environmental interference. If all else fails, an affordable aftermarket replacement fob is a practical alternative. These cost between $20 and $50 from online retailers and often sync easily with your vehicle without requiring professional reprogramming. For modern convenience, consider Bluetooth adapters that allow smartphone control of your vehicle. Alternatively, if DIY solutions fail, consult a mechanic for deeper issues like ECU problems. Professional reprogramming typically costs $100 to $200.